Hi, my name's Darren from Watercolour Mentor, and in this class what I'm going to be going through is how to reduce down a seemingly complex scene from a photograph into something that's quite loose, vibrant, and interesting to look at as a painting. So a lot of times you can sit around trying to paint something and you might spend hours just trying to get in all the little details. This class is for people who are interested in just getting a nice impressionistic representation of a scene. The techniques that I'll go through here you'll be able to use for pretty much any watercolor painting that you decide on. However, it is more targeted towards people who are looking to, I guess, reduce down a building type scene. Maybe you have some figures, some boats, learn how to paint water. So a lot of these elements I'll cover in the class itself. I'll talk about how to use wet on wet watercolor techniques to do just some soft ripples and waves in the water, and just how to go over the top with some sharper waves. I talk about different tones, making sure you're getting in the lightest and darkest values of the paper, as well as some mid-tones as well to balance it all out. So if you're interested in learning how to simplify down a difficult scene in about an hour so that you can paint this beautiful scene of Cinque Terre, then make sure you watch this class and enroll.